guys, I'm Miss Malet. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my spice to marinate meat. Okay? Before I dive into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, what you like about this video. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Ingredients will be garlic. Okay? So we need garlic. So like I said, I use a lot of garlic. The other ingredients that you need will be green onions, lots of it, lots of garlic and green onions. Those are the main ingredients. And also you're gonna need parsley. Parsley, they have two different kinds. I didn't find the other one, so I found this one. This is good too. You can use both. This is Italian parsley. Okay, we have our celery. We're gonna need celery. Then the jalapeno. The reason I use jalapenos is because I have fresh jalapenos. Usually I use cayenne pepper, but I'm running low on cayenne pepper, so I'm going to use jalapeno. Okay, green pepper, red pepper. We're gonna need thyme. Okay, and also we need we're gonna need turmeric, curcuma. Okay, turmeric. You're gonna need turmeric, red pepper, green pepper, and we also have ginger. Don't forget the ginger, you guys. I'm gonna add onions. We're gonna add some onions to it, and also the seasoning that you need to add to it would be the chicken flavor bouillon. We also need adobo seasoning. We need the all-purpose Greek seasoning, creole seasoning, have the sazon seasoning, paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, and oregano. Everything else we already have right here, which is the fresh stuff. So now we're going to wash our stuff and take the garlic. We're going to start washing. We're going to put the whole thing. You're going to have to put the garlic first because the garlic is the hardest part to blend. So after we wash them, we can remove them. So I'm going to take out all the garlic and I'm going to put them in the blender. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna place our blender on the bottom so we can start blending the garlic. Okay, all right. So now I'm gonna just rinse the top. I rinse the blender. Some people don't like oil, but I add a little bit of oil on the garlic, so just to keep it moving, you know, so it doesn't get stuck. The garlic doesn't get stuck under the blade with the first, and now I'm gonna add more stuff. The more I add, the more I'm gonna blend, because the blender is not that big, so we don't want the blade to get messed up. So you can pre-cut everything and add them to a bowl. You can actually blend it to your liking. So I'm just adding the green onions right now. It's just the green onions. Those are the first ingredients you do because they're more of everything. So add a lot of green onions and garlic. Okay. All right, so now that we're done adding our green onions, so I'm going to blend it again, or you can take a spoon and press it down, but I'm just gonna blend it again and let's cover it up so it doesn't spill. This is everything from ginger, turmeric, everything is in there, celery, onions, and some green onions that was left, and jalapenos, everything. It's in this bag, so I can just add it to it. I'm just gonna add it to the blender to make it faster, okay? So we're just gonna add more. And if it's too much, you can always dump it. If it's too much, we're gonna take the first batch out, and then we're gonna make another one. After that, we're gonna mix everything all up, all together. Okay? All right, here we go. Okay, so it's too much. I'm gonna dump it, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff to it. I don't know. Hey, I'm putting the thyme, you guys. I'm putting the thyme is you can't put it whole. You have to scrape them out from the branch. That would mess up the blender. You have to take them out. You can buy the one in the bottle, but I like the fresh one. The smell, it's totally different. Like I said, I like everything from the roots. Everything is natural, so it has a lot of nutritions in it. We have a lot of nutritions in here. So this rice is good for everything. You can cook rice. You can it's marinate. You can marinate your chicken. Okay, so we're gonna blend this second part out. Alright guys, so now it's time to add our seasoning spice to it, so they can all blend in together. I'm gonna show you. You have to add everything so they can all mix in together. So this is the Greek all-purpose Greek seasoning. As I'm adding them, I'm gonna blend it so it doesn't get too thick. You have to keep mixing it. So it's like pretty much right now it's just mixing all the ingredients together because it's already blend. This is the Creole seasoning. Okay, you don't put too much, but since I make enough to last me for a while, so we're gonna just add enough spice to it. Okay, now we're gonna stir it again, blend. We're gonna blend it again. Add paprika. Paprika is for color. It's for color. I don't add anything else to it beside the paprika. We're gonna add the oregano. That's for the smell. I like the smell and the taste of it. And then we have the lemon pepper. The lemon pepper seasoning gives it a little, it's lemon pepper. So it has a little tangy taste to it. So let's just give it, it won't come out. So I add that just to give it a little tangy taste. Okay. Alright, and we're gonna close it and then run it again. Hey guys, it's all done. So we're gonna dump it in here and mix it in with the rest, okay? Then mix it in with the rest. With the blender so you can see. I know it may seem a lot of work. It's really not that hard since I'm filming, so that's why it may seem like it takes a long time, but it's really not. It's like really easy. Once you chopped up everything, you blend. Look at this. And that's the final result, you guys. You can cook rice. Like I said, you already have all the spice in there. You can, you marinate. It's good for chicken, beef. It's what you call sofrito. It's really good. You mix everything all up together. You blend them, and it's ready to go. Whenever you have your chicken marinate. You want your chicken marinated. You grab this, and this is it right here, guys. That's how it looks. And that is how you make homemade spice from scratch, which what you call sofrito in Spanish. Okay, guys, don't forget to share, like this video, and if you have any comments, comment down below, and I'll respond to each and every one of you. I'll see you in the next one.